Thank you so much for the gift sub, Numi's favorite Bionicle. Guys, I have some sad news. Like, 80% of my Bionicles are dead. I thought they had a lifetime guarantee! Oh my god, life is so fucking cruel. I think out of all of them, I have one left that works. Some of them just fucking died. This is why you shouldn't buy like a $20 one off Amazon. Numi, why do I feel bad? You should. I don't get out much. I need to play with them to be happy. And then I don't have this. All I have now are like my little fucking Beyblades. You know?